Hi and welcome to the WordPress course. In this entire section, I'm going to teach you all about plugins. So just go to your dashboard and then click on plugins. Here will be the list of all the plugins that are already installed on your system. So what we are going to do is we are going to select all and then we are going to delete all of them. So click on delete and then click on apply and then click on OK. Now that we have deleted all our plugins, let's talk about what plugins are. Well, plugins are some extra feature which we add into our WordPress website. Suppose you want to add a contact form, then you will use a plugin that offers you a contact form. These are just extra features, extra functionality, extra piece of software which we use to extend the functionality of our website. So these are just some add-on software or add-on which we use to extend the functionality of our website. Now let's learn about how we can add new plugin. You can go to this install plugin page and then you can click on add new, or you can click on add new from here. So just click on add new. And now you will arrive at the add plugin page. Here you can see we have a list of a lot of plugin, and these are really famous plugin. If you want to search for some specific plugin, like if you want to search for plugins related to comments, and you can click on this tag here, and then you will arrive at the page where you will see the list of top plugins which have something to do with comments. And I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to install any of them. I will search for a specific plugin. So I'll search for my plugin here. I'll remove this, and now I will search for contact form 7 and I will hit enter. And this plugin is very special. I am going to use this plugin to create a contact form page. And here you can see that we have a list of a lot of plugin. We have a lot of plugin, and the one which I want to install is this contact form 7 plugin. You can see that it's a pretty famous plugin. It has 5+ million install and it has over 2000 rating. So I will click on install now from here, and this will install the plugin on my system. And then I will click on activate to activate this plugin. And now the plugin will be activated, and it really means that now I can use this plugin. And you can also see that this new option has appeared. Alright, but let's just talk about plugin for some time now. Here you can also download a plugin from the internet. So just click on add new, and you can download a plugin from internet, and then you can upload that plugin from here, which I will show you in the next video. So I guess that's it for this video. In this video I taught you what plugins are and how to install a plugin from this marketplace. If you want to see the list of all the plugin, you can just go to the official website of WordPress. So wordpress.org, just like that, and then hit enter. And here you can click on plugins, and here you can see that you have more than 59,000 free plugin on WordPress. You have 59,000. That's a huge number. If you want to create a new gallery, you can use this plugin. If you want an anti-spam protection, then you can use this plugin. So there are a lot of plugin and you can use any of them. You can also search for plugin from here, and this is just the same as this page over here. You have the list of all the plugin here also. Alright, that's it, and in the next video I will teach you how you can upload a plugin from here. So all of that coming up in the next video.